Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja Wanjiko, and today I'm back again with another video, guys. And thank you so much for clicking to my video, guys. I'm more than grateful. Thank you so much to the returning subscribers. Y'all, I love you so much. Thank you so much for your support. Even for the new subscribers, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. Yo, your girl went for holidays. Like she went for the festival season, but I have been good. I didn't like not vlog intentionally. My phone has been having issues. I did change my screen and it was just a total mess. You remember, guys, my phone falling as I was taking a video. So after that, I changed the screen, but that was just a waste because now the screen is like double. Then it's just pathetic, but it's okay, guys. We're gonna try and do more videos until maybe we get another good phone. So manifesting come on 18. Yeah, that's the phone that is on my mind and I can't stop thinking about it. I'm also thinking of Redmi, maybe Note 9 Pro. I'm a Note 10 Pro, those two, because the Note 10 Pro main age, the megapixels in that phone. First, the back camera has 108 megapixels. The biggest camera in it is 108 megapixels. I was just imagining myself taking videos with that phone, and I was like, child. But anyway, to God's ears, that one is gonna happen very soon. Believing and trusting. So today, guys, as you have read from the title, I'm going to be doing another bodysuit haul, another Gikomba bodysuit haul. So one thing with Gikomba and bodysuits, they don't open all the time. Okay, the people that I know, they don't open all the time. Yeah, maybe there could be other people who normally open bills all the time, but to get a bodysuit, unique bodysuit that has no dent, like that one is kind of tricky. So sometimes zinapotea completely, sometimes they are back. Ninakwanga tu nikibahatisha that when they are back vizuri, I'll make a point to go with you guys so that you can see where I get my cute bodysuits, because I'm a sucker for bodysuits. So let's head straight into the video. The first bodysuit we are having is this one that I am wearing. It's a black bodysuit with this pull neck and this unique detail here. I really like it. In fact, the material nile inakushika mwili, you just feel so comfortable in it. I really like this bodysuit. This one I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because it's kind of my favorite bodysuit. And then the fact that it's short sleeved, sinanga nguo ziko short sleeved, especially bodysuits. This is the only bodysuit that I have that is a short sleeved. So it's in black, definitely my best color. I really like this one, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys. Is this white black striped bodysuit. It's from Style. I really like this one. It has another good material. Let me show you really quick, guys. This is how it looks. That's it. It has this like cold shoulders. I really like it. And then it's long sleeved. That's how the bodysuit part look like. I really like this one. I will give it another 10 because it's so nice. It's kind of stretchy but sana. I love this also. It's so comfortable. I really like this one. Yeah, so we have that one. And then I'm also going to show you, I'm going to show you like all the cold shoulder bodysuits that I have. And then we go to the next step. So that's the first cold shoulder bodysuit that I have from George. I really like this one too. The material of this one is so good. I really love this material, this stretchy thick material. I love it. It's another cold shoulder, as you can see, long sleeved. These sleeves are so long. I really love this one, guys. Yay. And the bodysuit part looks like this. Not my favorite, but I mean this one can stretch, so it kind of reduces the way it looks at the back. I love the one that have like a longish back. Yeah, so we have this one. Next cold shoulder one. It's this maroon one from Boohoo. Yes, sir. I really like this one. This one, it doesn't have like a thick hand like the other one, like a thick shoulder like the other one. Not shoulder, really. Thick strap. Yeah, a thick strap. This has like a thin strap, and then it's called shoulder in maroon. I really like this one too. Yes, sir. Also long sleeved, very long sleeved, and also stretchy. I really like this one. That's the mid part, stretchy, and then the bodysuit part looks like this. Yeah, so I'm done with the cold shoulder ones. We had those three, and then on to my next bodysuit. I'm going now to show you some basic bodysuits, basic ones that you really need in your closet. So the first one is this gray. I really love the material of this bodysuit and the design of it. This one I'm gonna give it a 10. Look at the material, it's so giving. I really like that one. The only issue with this one is like it has this deep V. I'm not a fan of like V's on clothes. I'm not a fan because baby, we got nothing. So with the deep V, what are we showing? Nothing. So this is what we have in here. Also long sleeved, stretchy. This is the bodysuit part. I really like this one. The material of it is everything for me, but the V is not like 100% given to me, but it's also, it looks good. Yeah, so we're having this one. I'm gonna give it a 9 because of the V, but the material of it is just an amazing material. I really like this one. And then the next basic, you know, you don't have like to have basic clothes that are in black and white. You can also have basic clothes that are in other colors. So the next one is a jungle green. Where is it from? Primark. This one is from Primark, baby. Yeah, so let me show you real quick. It kind of looks like the gray one, but this one now, the design is kind of thin. The design of it, it's thin. It's another bomb one, though I really don't like the material really, because I like a stretchy material type of vibe, because that stretchy material just snatches your body, but this one looks kind of loose on you. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. That's the front. It has like this detail, button detail, but they are not working. Oh, they're working, baby. Whoosh. Oh my god, I didn't know these buttons were working. I just thought they were like a design, and the buttons really look so good. Don't know if you can see, that's the color. They have like white, no, cream and black. One is another basic, but the color is so unique. What color is this, guys? I even don't know. I don't know this brand, because this brand is also on the gray. You see, they are from the same brand, but I really don't know what brand this is. This one, I don't know. But as long as they look good, that is what you are here for. So this is the next one. I don't know what color this is. Please comment down below. Sijui ni color gani. Looks like the green one. In fact, even the style is like the green one, but this one, the material is a bit heavy and it's stretchy. What I love. I really like this one, especially the bodysuit part. This one, I'm giving this a 10 because of this. Like, this is everything for me in bodysuits. So you know, one reason I love bodysuits is that you don't, like, when you bend your underwears are being visible. No, that doesn't happen with a bodysuit. That is what I really like about a bodysuit. But one thing, the major thing that I hate about bodysuits is because if you wear a bodysuit that is not like a thong type of design, it normally like shows. You know how panties with thick, what do you call them? Thick seams, slimless. Yes, panties with thick seams. The way they show when you're wearing jeans, I really don't like that, and that's why I don't like bodysuits that don't have this, especially if they have like a thick seam like this one. Definitely, if this one was not like this, you could easily see it at the back on my jeans. You could. Neck is a circular neck. I love that, and also I love a triangle neck. Yeah, and then these buttons are also working. Y'all, I didn't know these bodysuits buttons are working, child. It's so cute. I like it. There's not much to say about it. And then the next now basic bodysuit I want to show you is this white one. This white bodysuit is a 10 out of 10 for me, because one thing with this thing, it's bomb. It looks so good, especially the neck. The neck for me is a 10 out of 10. I really love this neck, this circular small neck. If I always got my bodysuits in this neck, I'll be so happy, because I really like it. And then it's like long sleeve, stretchy, the material that I love. The down part looks like this, not as bad, but yeah, it looks good. It doesn't show, because I've worn these ones, it doesn't show. Yeah, that's one thing, because one thing, the reason why it doesn't show, because it stretches. So when it stretches on your body, the seam like reduces, and I really like this one. This one is another 10 for me. I love it. So the last bodysuit, not bodysuits, is this bodysuit from Pretty Little Thing. I really like this one. This is my latest bodysuit. I'm so in love with it. I've not yet gotten a cute photo with it, but I really like this one. So that's how it looks like. Kwanza, the material of this one, child, the material is, this one is a 15. Let's start there. It's a 15 out of 10 for me. That's how the colors look like. Look at how those colors are rhyming. They really look good. Who would have thought? Who would have thought such colors could really look good? And then it kind of has like this small high neck, Chinese collar. I really like that. Look at this, the hands. They are long enough. It's stretchy. What I like. And then it has like this detail that, oh my god, it's giving. You see this zip detail? It's giving. Look at it. You can decide like to wear it like a Chinese collar fully, or you can decide to like unzip it. I really like this one, guys. This one is my favorite right now. I can't wait like to take such a cute pic with it, and a black jeans and some heels that maybe look like this or this, most probably like this. I have like nude heels that will really look good with this, and child, I'll be drinking people. Yeah. So that's it, and this is the back of it, the bodysuit part, the pant part. What I really like, that's why I'm telling you guys, this is a 15. It has no dent. PLT did their thing. They didn't sleep on this one. So that's it, guys. I really missed you, and I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you liked. Can you comment down below which was your favorite bodysuit? For me, so far, it's the last bodysuit. That's my favorite one. And then the maroon one that has like thin sleeves, that's another one that I really like. So, and definitely what I'm wearing, I really like this one so much. Right now, I'm so in love with this bodysuit, because you can even wear it with no bra, like there's nothing showing, because the material in this one is like a 10. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Till my next video, guys. I really love you. Please pray for me to get a good phone so that I may be more consistent. So that's it. Till next time.